people see me, that it feels very negative that when I criticize something that somebody else has said. So like when I say that one of the coaching classes of Delhi has said something and it is very responsible, or one of the coaching classes of Kolkata has said something which is very responsible, people see me that I sound very negative. So I don't know whether I should happily sound negative or not, because what I believe that what I'm trying to do is for the gain of the community as a whole. Since so many years I have been trying to burst myths. It took me so many years, like I think from 2014 till 2017 or 18, it took me consistently, I think 40 to 50 seminars I must have taken, just to break one myth that actuaries do not get paid 1 crore salary the moment they qualify as an actuary. There were many coaching classes who were selling their course. There were banners in Kolkata outside the Xavier's College which say that if you do CA you get 6 lakh rupees, if you do MBA you get 12 lakh rupees, and if you do actuarial science you get 1 crore rupees. Just imagine how many students out of that fascination might have joined the course. There was literally a time when so many students in Kolkata jumped to do actuarial science, and today there are hardly any number of students who are doing the same. And the same is in Delhi. There is so much of negativity because such coaching classes have spread so much of rumors, so much of myths about the course, that people have become afraid of pursuing it. People write negative things about it. I don't know how can somebody hate a profession. I read on Quora a few days back somebody writing an answer that this is the worst profession ever. I don't understand what can be worse about an education. It is basically a set of 10 to 15 subjects which you study and which help you become a knowledgeable person. You use the skills to do some sort of work in the insurance companies. How can somebody hate a profession? So the thing is that lot of posts, lot of banners, lot of marketing advertisements which glorified actual profession to an another unimaginable level, and people joined it because of fascinations that they were sold, and later they realized that whatever was sold to them was false. But usually, suppose if I'm teaching you, I try to generate so much of good relation with you that if you if you end up failing in actual science, you will uh, hate actual science but not me, because I have that smart selling skills of myself. So people have started hating profession rather than hating those who made them believe or have wrong beliefs about the profession. So I think it is my duty, no matter how negative it sounds, no matter how rude it sounds, no matter if it tarnishes my image. I'm not here to create my image. I call myself an educationist. I have spent last 6 years, 7 years in educating people about actual science. So this everybody has a aim in their life. I have this goal that I want to do actual science. I want other people to do actual science. I want this course to become popular. Somebody somewhere develops a aim in their life, target in their life. I've developed this target. I'm moving toward it. No matter if it makes me feel a very bad person, negative marketer. I think I least care, or I should not bother about it, even if it creates financial losses for me. It is my duty, and I think I should continue doing it. Later, if someday if I feel that something is terribly wrong in my thought process, I will definitely stop it. But until then, if I see that some negativity is being spread in the profession that I love, I will definitely raise my voice against it. There are so many rumors being spread, there are so many negative voices. Every classes is creating a video and sending out a message of panic, where they are actually saying that don't panic, but they are creating a panic themselves among students. The notification was so positive, but so many students ended up deciding that they don't want to give the September examination. This is really very unfortunate. So I think I should raise my voice, I should raise my concerns. It is for the students to understand whether it is correct or it is not. It is for the time to decide whether what I have been thinking, what my thought process has been, was correct or wrong. If it is wrong, I will bear the fruits. If it is right, all of us will bear the fruits. So you have nothing to lose. I have not much to gain. It's all about love for something, and that makes us do something that we are doing. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope we continue to do what we are trying to do, and it will add a lot of positivity for all of you. Thank you so much.